Wax kits, focusing on safety and precision. Top 10 must-have products for radiant skin after waxing. A curated list of luxurious creams, serums, and oils that promote hydration and reduce irritation post-wax. The truth about Brazilian waxing pain. Tips to minimize discomfort. Address fears about pain with practical tips and tools to make waxing more comfortable. Seasonal skincare. How to maintain a waxing glow in winter and summer. Discuss how seasonal changes affect exfoliation, moisturization, and product recommendations for radiant skin.